Do you have WhatsApp chats you don't want anyone else to see? Maybe a surprise conversation, a private chat, or just something personal? Don't worry, I'm your tech guide, Genie, and today I'm going to show you two magic tricks to hide any WhatsApp chat on your Android phone. If this helps you out, hit that subscribe button. Let's make some tech magic happen. The first method is called archiving. This moves the chat completely off your main screen. Open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Find the chat you want to hide. Press and hold on it for about 2 seconds. You'll see some icons appear at the top of the screen. Tap the 3 dots you see in the top right-hand corner. Now a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll see Archive Chat at the top of the list. Tap on it, and that chat will be archived. You will see a notification saying "One chat archived." Your chat is now hidden. It will no longer show on your main chat list. Now here's the important part. By default, if that person sends you a new message, the chat will jump back to your main screen. To stop that from happening, let's go to Settings. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of WhatsApp. Select Settings, then tap Chats. Look for the option that says Keep Chats Archived. Turn that on. Now your archived chats will stay hidden even when new messages come in. But here's the thing, the archive method is good, but it is not completely private. Anyone who knows WhatsApp can still find those chats. So let me show you the second method. This one is much more powerful. This is called Chat Lock, and it hides your chats behind your fingerprint and even a secret code that only you know. Go back to your main WhatsApp chat list. Press and hold on the chat you want to hide. Tap the 3 dots that appear at the top right of the screen. Select Lock Chat. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm with your fingerprint or secret code. Press your finger on the fingerprint sensor and your chat will be locked. You'll see it move into a folder at the top of your screen called Locked Chats. Now, here's the magic trick most people don't know about. Tap on the Locked Chats folder at the top of your screen. You'll have to use your fingerprint or secret code again to access it. In the top right corner, tap the 3 dots again, then select Chat Lock Settings. You'll see an option called Hide Locked Chats. Tap the toggle button to turn it on. Now it will ask you to create a secret code. This is a word, a number, or even an emoji that only you know. Type in your secret code, then tap Done. You'll see a notification at the bottom saying Locked Chats are hidden. Now, and this is the best part, the Locked Chats folder will completely disappear from your WhatsApp screen. No one will even know it exists. To get back into your hidden chats, go to the WhatsApp search bar at the top. Type in your secret code, and your hidden chats will magically reappear. And just like that, your private WhatsApp chats are completely hidden from view. No one can see them, no one can find them. Only you know they're there. If this video worked magic for you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe so you never miss another tech magic trick. And check out this video right here, where I show you how to read WhatsApp messages without the other person knowing. See you in the next one.